Hi, if you're wondering whether the Google Pixel 9a supports wireless charging, let's find out together. So, I got this wireless charger with me, and let's take the phone and place it with its back part on the wireless charger right in the middle. And as you can see, the phone starts charging. Let's try this out again. I'm gonna just place it, and yep, here you saw that it is now charging. So yeah, the phone does support this feature, but keep in mind that the wireless charging speed for the Pixel 9a is limited to 7.5 watts. This means that compared to standard wired charging, the speed will be slower. In terms of charging time, using wireless charger at 7.5 watts can fully charge this phone in approximately 2 to 3 hours, depending on environmental conditions and the charger used. Although wireless charging works well for convenience, using a wired charger might offer faster charging speeds, potentially up to 3 times faster than this wireless charging, especially considering that the Google charger supports up to 23 watts with a 45-watt adapter. So, be aware that this phone does not support advanced wireless charging technologies like CH2. As a result, accessories like magnetic wireless power banks or MagSafe accessories won't be compatible unless you use a specialized case. These cases can be found on online marketplaces such as AliExpress, usually costing less than $5. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.